We're sleeping underneath the bed to scare the monsters out with our dear Daddy Smith and Wesson. We've gotta teach them all a lesson. Don't move, don't scream, or we will have to shoot. Stop right where you stand. We need a chalk outline if you can. Put your hands where we can see them, please. We're holding up the lids of our eyes and show